Hey, what's going on, guys? Sean here, living the corporate pilot life. Got a fun video for you guys, I hope. I'm on my way down to Fort Lauderdale Executive Airport, my old stomping grounds. I'm going to meet Gus down there, pick up one of our G4s. We just got to move it empty from Fort Lauderdale up to home base Palm Beach. Got to get a little maintenance done, some routine inspections, and then, yeah, we're going to go flying. So hopefully we can meet some of you guys' requests here over the past few months, one of which is a full flight, engine start to engine shutdown, the whole deal. So we're going to make that happen. The other request is to have a camera set up in the back of the airplane to pick up the engine noise and engine picture, so you guys can see that working. Maybe we can get a little bit of the spoiler action going on in the wings, things like that. So yeah, hopefully it's going to go really well. Just got to keep Gus's F-bombs under control. Gus. And yeah, I've got to edit out the tail numbers as usual, so nothing changed in there. We're working on a long-term solution to get rid of that restriction. Stand by for that. Hopefully we'll get that to happen before too long. Anyway, hopefully you guys like the video. Be sure to hit the thumbs up if you do. Subscribe if you're new, and we'll get this thing rolling here in just a couple minutes. All right, before starts are all done, I assume?
Yep.
Center refueler 550. That's
right.
correct. You're on Foxtrot. Continue on Foxtrot. Proceed through the 1 approach, and then
Start, you ready?
East Loop
Start
Road
page.
Sierra, please.
Is up.
Fuel cocks.
Shut.
Power levers.
Shut.
Gas lock. Off. Beacon. APU air.
Thank you.
Is on and sufficient.
Boost pumps.
2 on.
Electrical power.
Is checked.
Start master.
On.
Start
Who's
switch.
the check off 9 at Quebec?
Can you hear us at all?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Oh, he's on the phone.
Quebec, with request taxi to Quebec.
Okay, what's
2
your number?
lights. Rotation.
Or
Oil
12973,
pressure's
ground
coming
taxi
up.
is straight ahead in Quebec. See ya.
Hydraulics are already coming up. Here we go.
973, is there instruct on board?
No, sir, this is student solo. 973.
Good day, November 500, Charlie Whiskey, we go for Florida Jets, we're ready to taxi to the active.
973, I need your copy and number, have your instructor call the tower advisor and ready.
Uh-oh.
That's not good.
Student pilot.
Yes, sir, give me 1 second just to exit here from the ground. 973.
Kind of a warm start there, 672 on the peak.
Well, she's
Good day, November 500, Charlie Whiskey, ready for taxi with go.
Otherwise, good start. Everything's good. 0330, single rudder
You can't
limit
hear, right?
is on.
I can hear you.
Or 500.
There's a switch there that goes
Whiskey ground,
ICCS.
runway 9er,
Give
taxi
that a couple
via
moves to see if you
Echo.
can talk through us.
Now,
Someone gonna be a
I can-
Good.
Charlie Whiskey.
Okay. Yeah, you're in the right position.
okay.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, you're good. Can you hear him, Gus?
I can't really hear it on the side.
Oh, okay. I hear him fine.
I hear you. I don't really hear
I
him.
don't hear myself.
I can't hear myself very well either.
I hear both of you perfect.
12973. The number's going to be
It's whatever. As long as someone can hear
954.
me yelling, it's fine.
All right, 2 lights, good rotation on both sides. Oil pressure's coming
And
up.
when you hear the automated
Combined
response,
hydraulic
you
is
can
already
just dial
coming up.
252.
Positive on the LP. Here we go.
Roger. 973.
973, we're going to need your instructor to call the tower, please.
Uh-oh.
Yes, sir, he's gonna call you. I'm gonna call him when I park the
That's never a good thing to have.
Thanks.
That's why I don't like instructing.
Students are nothing but a liability.
Yeah, someone else is going to ruin my career.
Yeah.
CBM 9 Alpha Alpha, yep.
628. A little bit cooler start on the left side. I was liking that one. All good. 3300. Single rudder limit is out. How about we flow it?
Flow it.
We'll keep that a couple minutes. What do you say?
Yeah, it's a little warmer.
Stay.
Reserve Charlie Whiskey,
Landing.
Yeah, we'll stay landing there.
position
You good with it?
there
Yep.
for that TBM, he's going to be
Cool.
moving.
Let's do the test.
Hold position, Charlie Whiskey.
Anyways,
Go.
In ground, actually, November 500, Charlie Whiskey, we just would like to go back for the jet.
Good test on the
We
right.
can continue
Hold on,
echoing
3, 2, 1.
if possible.
Reserve Charlie Whiskey, I understand. You're going to be
I
coming
think I
back
said
out or no?
wrong. Good test on the left.
Yeah, possibly
One
in
of the
about
sides.
10 minutes.
It's
We're
all
just gonna have
right.
to check something with the steering.
Reserve Charlie
Here's-
Whiskey, Roger. Taxi via
Alrighty.
Echo Echo 1. Yeah.
Echo 1, Charlie Whiskey, thank you.
I am up, down,
Executive ground, November 907, 100 Juliet with
still
golf,
down.
Fox
Test. That all looks happy. I'm half
For
up.
9719
Full up.
Juliet,
More
executive
words.
ground. Runway 9er, taxi via Foxtrot Lima.
Okay, ground 9er. We have Fox Lima, 19 Juliet.
Back down. There we
That's for
go.
runway 9er, correct? For 19 Juliet?
Okay.
Confirm, that's runway 9er. We have
Afters,
Fox
please,
Lima.
sir,
Thanks.
Start master.
is off.
Electric master left and right.
On.
External electric.
Off.
7, I'm over
Off.
to
Off.
maintenance.
Battery ammeters.
Checked.
Essential DC bus.
Auto left main.
Emergency power.
Armed.
Doors.
Closed.
Anti-ice heaters.
All on.
Cowling anti-ice.
Not required.
Pressurization control.
Landing auto set.
Noted. Pressurization control is taken care of. Fuel boost pump cross-flow valve.
All on and closed.
Ground spoilers.
They've been tested.
Stall barrier.
Tested.
Flight control, bungee, rudder torque.
Checked.
Yaw damp.
On.
Nose wheel steering.
On at this time.
Ox hydraulic.
Has been armed.
Brake test switch.
Tested.
Ready taxi?
Ready to taxi.
Yes, sir, yes. We're going to do some steering.
All right, Roger. Let me know once you're ready, and if you need any assistance.
I don't want you.
We'll let you know. Thank you, sir. Charlie Whiskey.
Yep.
Ground Gulfstream's ready taxi out of Banyan.
Who's the Skyhawk 9 at Bravo?
The 415 Romeo Juliet, we're going to Kilo.
415 Romeo Juliet ground, taxi to Bravo Kilo.
Bravo Kilo, 5 Romeo Juliet, have a good day.
Thanks, you too. Ground, good afternoon. Verify information, golf. What exit are you going to be taking?
We got golf, and the closest one to us looks like Bravo 2.
Roger. Runway 9er, taxi via Bravo Echo. Hold short of taxiway Kilo, advise me as Skyhawk inbound to the ramp.
Alright, Bravo Echo, hold short of Kilo, advise me of the Skyhawk in the ramp.
Alright.
You see a Skyhawk?
No, I don't, but once we turn that way, we'll see him.
Okay. So you're doing Bravo Echo, you know where you're going?
I'm sorry,
Bravo Echo, runway 9, hold short of Kilo.
Yep.
Clear over there?
Clear on the right, you got a fuel truck, but you're pretty far from him still.
Okay.
I'm sorry, you said you had information, golf?
Yes, sir, we have golf.
Roger, the traffic's going to be no fact. You can continue to runway 9er via Bravo Echo.
Bravo Echo still holding short of Kilo.
Not holding Kilo
No,
short.
no need to hold short. Continue full length, Bravo Echo. Runway 9er.
Okay, we'll be full length now, Bravo Echo.
Cool. Yep, got the Skyhawk insight, no factor.
You just lost DADC miscompare.
That's not what you want.
Good thing we're going to maintenance base.
Yep, well.
Let me take a photo. Oh, it's back alive. Yeah, app's on. Okay, I'll make note of that.
Okay. We will keep an eye on that. If it happens in flight, we're just going to have to hand fly it.
Yep.
Worst case scenario, but if we can isolate it, figure out which
Ground November 5.
which ADC is wrong, you can always pull the circuit breaker that's behind your head.
Yep.
For that side, and then we can switch over to 1 or 2.
It should auto switch too, so
it won't auto switch on that one. That one's the only one that won't. So, or it doesn't know how to on that one. So.
Rear taxis.
Taxi checks.
Transponder is up and running. Good code. Exterior lights are yours. Cowling anti-ice.
Good.
Do you want to check them or not?
November 5.
Yeah, we can check them. I don't think we're going to need them at 5,000.
Charlie Whiskey Tower is 120.9.
I'll just check the cows out with that because the
That'll
wings
work.
are fine. It's warm enough.
Yeah.
Cows are good enough pressure.
Okay.
TRs when you're ready. Slip indicators, compasses, flight
TRs
instruments.
have been checked.
TRs are good. Slip indicators, compasses, flight instruments are all good on my side. How about yours?
Checked on the left.
Auto throttle's back on. You're going to be going vector, so we're going to be heading.
Okay. Pick up some fun.
Fuel temps look good to me. Crew briefing, keep our V-speeds. V-speeds are started.
V-speeds look good. Everything's there. Left seat takeoff. Standard stuff. Anything prior to 80 you see it, I will abort. 80 to V1, just big stuff.
Yep.
Call it if you see it. Fire failure, TR deployment, lost directional control. Otherwise, we take it airborne. And if we can make it to PBI, let's just go to PBI for everything.
About 30 miles, we can make it.
If we're not on fire, let's go to PBI.
Yeah.
A lot more runway up there.
Even if we if it's a small fire.
Is it small fire?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, flaps going 20. You ready?
Do it.
Going 20. Engine instruments are all in the white. Hydraulic pressure is 3300. APU's running right now. We'll give it another minute or two.
Okay.
Flight guidance panel is set. Warning inhibit is coming on. Flaps 20. Stab agrees.
I see it.
You get the Lear 60 and
Executive ground.
Yeah, I'm not sure what's happening.
71 Romeo Golf, with you off of 9er, we're going to executive, World Jet East.
If you would give me a brake stage up or hydraulics,
Alpha Delta, hold short runway 9.
hydro.
so I know what to see.
Okay, what was that again, left here?
Clear 1 runway go affirmative. Left on Alpha, hold short runway 9er at Delta.
Is the Lear doing a run-up or what?
Okay, left here,
Yeah,
hold short.
he said something earlier about something or other. It's kind
1 runway go off, I'm sorry, missed it. Confirm hold short 9 at Delta.
Hold short 9 at Delta, is that correct?
Thank you.
Go tower.
Tower Airway C2, we're 2 miles southwest for Charlie Ramp.
November 9er Alpha Alpha, contact Miami departure.
I'm in departure for Alpha. Executive Tower Airway C2.
Air Rescue 2, sir, I hear you. 2 approved for the Charlie, correction, inbound to the Charlie ramp. Landing at the ramp will be at your own risk. Wind 060 at 13, gust 19er.
Thank you, ma'am, and we are clear for Charlie Ramp, Airway C2.
Number 9 Delta Charlie, runway 9 clear, touch and go. After touch and go, make right traffic.
9 Delta Charlie, clear touch, go right flag.
Plan on a left turn to about a 3:30 heading right after departure. That would be my guess.
Cool. Set. See this guy doing touch and go.
Yeah.
In November, 07 Tango, extended down when I call it back.
Extend down when you call it, 07 Tango.
It looks like it's not even moving.
That's top speed right there.
Yeah.
I got a couple hours on one of those.
Yeah. He has a 40.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
And
Hey, like it.
1687 Charlie, runway 90.
I heard you have issues with the, if it's too sunny, like it gets too hot, positive can fly or something like that.
Yeah,
It's the real thing.
Yeah.
That makes me nervous. And Tower Gulfstream's ready to go as well. Wasn't sure if this Lear was heading for us.
Gulfstream, the Lear is VFR, and I don't know if he called ready or not, but I'm waiting on your IFR release. Hold your position.
Hanging out here.
1687 Charlie, turn left heading 310, runway 9er, clear for takeoff.
Turn left 310, 87 Charlie, clear for takeoff on 9.
November 50, correction, number 9719 Juliet, runway 9er, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 19 Juliet.
Yep. Yeah.
Kill it if you want.
Yep. Transfer over. Transition. I'll get the master when it's spooled down.
Roger, roger.
In November 19 Juliet, when able, offset to the left, behind the traffic.
Okay, when able, upset to the left, 19 Juliet.
November 0 Charlie Whiskey, traffic's offsetting for you, fly straight out, runway 9er, clear for takeoff.
Runway 9 clear for takeoff, straight out, 506.
If you're scared.
Thank you, sir.
Executive Tower, Cirrus 218 Whiskey Tango, on the ILS runway 9. We've
Why
got
is the
Donald
auto throttles?
November
They're on.
07 Juliet, caution, we turbulence.
Oh, because ground
runway
spoilers aren't
9er, clear
okay.
to land.
That shouldn't matter.
Bleeds are on.
Well, the isolation valve
07
is
Tango, runway 9er, clear to
I
land.
saw that was closed.
Yeah, it's closed, but
218 Whiskey
it should
Tango,
say TO there.
Go on up real quick.
Continuing bound for runway 9er, traffic will hold in position.
I think we may not have auto throttles today. If that's the case, we'll just manually...
November 87 Charlie, contact Miami departure.
He's out scared. Bleeds on the engines.
November 964.
Oh, there it is, there it is. I think the switch was
Switch is
just...
sticky.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I can't accommodate
That's
the
all it is.
touch and go
Okay.
due to Gulfstream that'll depart
okay.
prior to you. You can do a left turn and join a left downwind, or you can full stop taxi back.
That's what the full stop taxi back 964.
Roger. Only 9 line up and wait, traffic mile and a half line.
My boy. Parking brakes off, secured. Engine bleed air switches are confirmed on the engines. Isolation valve is closed. Exterior lights are yours. Ground spoilers, get one up. One up. Armed.
Okay, we'll be
Flight
looking for
controls.
Approaching 0, 9.
Charlie Whiskey.
Free and correct.
Oh,
TCAS is clear. Transponders up front. CAS is clear. Air ignition's off. Auto throttles are armed. Departure runway. I see it out the window.
It's 9.
And speeds are boxed.
Make sure. Just waiting on the clearance.
Fly heading 090, runway 9 clear for takeoff.
Fly heading 090, clear for takeoff. 090.
090, okay.
On runway 0,
Look at the
9.
yoke.
November 9 Delta Charlie, traffic 1 o'clock and 2 miles at 1,000
Cars coming up.
remaining.
Cheers.
Yeah, we got that traffic inside 9 Delta Charlie.
Number 9 Delta Charlie, follow that traffic.
Following.
Gauge is in the green. Airspeed is alive. 60 knots.
Clear to land.
No latch. 80. Checked.
I got it.
Number 8 Whiskey Tango, number 2, traffic on inside of
V1,
final indicating
rotate.
79.
V2.
Runway 9 clear to land.
218 Whiskey Tango.
Positive rate.
Yep. Clear to land.
I see the powers in the L's. You're fine. 400 feet.
Flaps up.
Flaps up. If you need me to get your powers for you, let me
Let's go 200 Felch.
know. Speed, Felch.
Shan't fly it today.
Okay.
Contact Miami departure today.
Departure, thanks, Chubb. Departure, Gulfstream's climbing through 1,500 for 2,000 on heading 090.
Fly departure, better contact, climb and maintain 3,000.
3,000. 3,000 coming up.
Set it and Felch it.
Felched.
Thank you, sir.
November 1687 Charlie, fly heading 280.
Be heads down here for a little bit, getting stuff ready for the arrival.
1687 Charlie, turn left heading 280.
Left 280, 87 Charlie.
November 500 Charlie Whiskey, maintain 190 knots.
Gears up, flaps up, guidance panel 6. Exterior lights, you got them. Pulse is on for you too. Ground spoilers are off. Pressurization is set for landing. Engine clamp power set, engine 6 off, altimeters are off, APU's off. Is it still dead?
Yeah. They'll come on for a second, but then they stop.
Give me 1 second, let me mess.
Climb and maintain 4,000, turn to left heading 290.
4,000 left turn 290. 290. Set 4,000 set.
I see it, Belcher.
500 Charlie Whiskey.
On manual, our manual throttles.
Okay.
I'll tell you what, I'm going to go autopilot on.
In the turn she's not like it. She'll do that right there. FGC 1 fail.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Contact departure 12605.
2605. It's one of the weird things about this plane.
Okay, well.
No worries. It still does it, just gets pissed off a second.
November 558,
I'll do this for you. Back to 1.
360, maintain VFR.
You're set.
360, 558, maintain.
Departure Gulfstream's climbing through 3,400 for 4,000 on a head, left turn for 290.
Line departure, climb, maintain 5,000.
5,000. 5,000 set.
I see 5,000, here we go.
And you're still felched?
Yep.
Let me get this here.
Southwest 509, safe speed.
Accelerating out of 250, what do you need?
Southwest 509, maintain.
Can I steal your box for a second?
Do it.
300 knots graders.
Want to go.
Gamma Jet 83 for now, do not exceed 250 knots.
Alright, do not exceed 250 knots, Gamma Jet 83.
10 left. Activate. Landing in it. 06013. Temperature is warm.
Miami CBMA 50, my Mike 4000.
There goes that 3001.
001.
Yeah.
November 8 side.
Your ref's going to be 128. 4,900 foot weather runway, 10,000 available.
Okay.
2998. I'm turning to 010.
ILS 10, so I'll set that for you.
Gotcha.
Nav tune. PBI, because they're real original here. Oh, you already got in, look at that.
Did I auto-tune it? I didn't do it.
It shouldn't do it, but it did. 110.
Well, thank you, Gulfstream.
119. Course will be 099 when you're ready for it.
$0.99.
99 and a 200 foot minimum if you care. Straight forward ILS, nothing special, nothing crazy, no gotchas.
Sliding 360.
360. While you do that, we got to hold the FBO.
Okay. We don't need the FBO. We're not going there, right? We're just going right to the hangar.
Oh.
Yeah, we'll just go right to the hangar. So, unless you,
yeah.
Romeo Tango, course to your discretion.
One last thing.
Right below 4,000.
I talked to Adam. He said take it right to the maintenance hangar. So.
Cool. No FBO. We're caught up, except for descents. Now we can knock out. Crew briefing.
We are going to do the ILS to runway 10 left. I can already see the airport over there pretty much, so
cool.
It'll be visual, but we got the ILS in there to back it up.
Cool. FMS is set, flight instruments are set.
Thank you.
Pilot, co-pilot seats.
Adjusted.
Cowing NES is good.
Not needed.
Pressurization is set for landing. Circuit breakers are all in above me, behind you.
Same on your side, all in.
Fuel boost pumps are all on. Nose wheel steering is on over there, I assume.
It is on.
Parking brake is accumulated. Approaching range. Altimeters 3001.
Set left.
1, 2, 3, 4 times. Engine sync is off. Flaps are up. Ref and go around's been discussed. 128. Hydraulic pressure 3300.
Contact Palm Beach approach 125.2.
25.2.
Damage at 83.
000. 3000, 87 Charlie.
Approach Gulfstream 5,000 on the heading of 360.
Palm Beach approach, Roger. Expect the ILS runway 10 left.
ILS 10 left. Exterior lights are good. Hawk's hydraulic pump is armed. FBO, no check-in.
All right.
We're caught up to before landing. God, it's busy over here.
Yeah.
This side sucks.
Yep.
There's a lot of work on this side. I don't like it. On that side, I can like take a half nap and still be doing my job. On this side, it's just like a...
Can take a half nap. That's what you usually do.
It's one eye open out the window, one eye closed.
Yeah, but at least this is the Northeast.
Yeah. I mean, we're flying from California. As soon as you get to LA, it's nothing.
Yeah.
You're in the desert.
Yep.
Yes, we're already back to FGC1. It just pops over for some reason.
Yeah,
and turns.
it's I've seen it a couple times before, but I've always had it happen when you're not really in.
Just going to maintain 3,000, sliding 010.
3,000, 010.
Keep your speed up, you're going to be at number 1 for the airport.
Going fast.
Okay.
Let me mess with this one time just real quick. Give it one more shot.
Okay. Every time I would engage it, it'll engage, and then it would kick back off, and then it would show back up like it would engage again, but you know, it would just keep.
It came on with the intention of staying on, but wouldn't stay on.
Correct.
Okay.
That's what it was doing to me. So.
Sometimes she gets angry.
Yeah. Yeah, I've seen the autopilot thing before, but it's always when you're not like in the V-bars. It always, you know, it's done that to me.
Yeah.
But I was pretty solid in it, so.
She's just an angry lady.
Yeah.
The 80s were a good time.
She wanted to go to LA today.
I don't blame her.
Yeah.
I gotta move when I get home. I need to go to LA too.
Yeah.
I'll go and sequence you to the approach.
Let's do that.
To Zeiser, since it's
One to go.
One to go. Your sequence to Zeiser.
Alrighty.
Number 5 Whiskey Alpha traffic, 12 o'clock, 5 miles, maneuvering altitude 3,100.
It's plenty warm outside.
Looking for traffic, 5 Whiskey Alpha.
Yeah, no, we don't need them.
And Palm Beach approach, I got him inside, 5 Whiskey Alpha.
Leveling 3.
Right in the choppy chop.
Yep.
Yeah, there's the airport, but we're gonna lose it again here.
.1.
Turn right heading 030.
030. You know, I used to fly 4 that had the mic switch over here, so when you weren't flying, you could just push it.
It's so nice.
It's nice.
Descend to maintain 1,500 in the airport will be 1 o'clock and 8 miles advise the airport.
As soon as we get out of this.
All right, 1,500 now. We're kind of popping through the bottom layers of those clouds. We'll let you know when we get it cleanly inside. Yeah, it's just a nice little button over here.
Yeah, the Hawkers have that as well usually. So.
You want to call it?
Call it.
Field inside.
Clear visual approach, runway 10 left. Best forward speed as long as you can.
All right, clear visual 10 left, and we'll go as fast as we can, as long as we can.
Well, I'm not going to go crazy for him here.
Yeah, I mean, but as long as you...
Connect tower 119.1, good day.
19-1, thanks, Rob. As fast as you want to go,
Yeah,
basically.
I'll help him out, but I'm not going too crazy. That was me.
You're still doing 250.
Palm Beach departure, connection 3.
Tower Gulfstream is ready to... Actually, sorry, we're not ready for anything. We're clear visual for 10 left.
United 600, Palm Beach Tower, fly runway heading, runway 10 left, clear for takeoff, expect to resume the departure.
I think you were a pilot or something.
Sir, wings 131.
What do we call the layer on maintenance hangar for taxi purposes?
The West Atlantic hangars.
West Wings 131, contact
Flapstack.
departure, good day.
Speed check, Flapstack. And Tower Gulfstream's visual 10 left.
Gulfstream, Palm Beach Tower, runway 10 left, clear to land, wind 070 at 14, gust 21.
Go to land, 10 left. Flaps 10, step agrees.
Radar contact,
You're clear to land.
west of Palm Beach.
Thanks, sir.
Lights are hard.
Squawk altitude and say altitude, please.
We at table.
Flaps 20.
Speed check, Flaps 20. You're on, look on.
Gulfstream, traffic 1 o'clock, mile-and-a-half westbound, just south of the localizer helicopter at 1,000.
We'll keep an eye out.
Traffic. Traffic.
Papa Bravo,
That's
caution,
him.
wing turbulence
He's gonna be
for the
clear,
I
guys.
see
See
him.
him, yeah.
Roger, we'll do.
Flaps 20, step
Clear down.
agrees.
Yeah, I see him.
Yeah,
We're clear.
Ground spoilers are
Flaps
hard.
full.
Contact departure, good day.
Flaps going full. Speed checks.
King Air 551 Lima Juliet, Palm Beach Tower, runway 10 left, clear to land, caution, wing turbulence behind on Gulfstream 4, 2 miles.
Ground spoilers tested. Or not, sorry. Nutcrackers tested. Ground spoilers are armed. Gas is clear. Flaps are full. Warning inhibit is on. Air star ignition's off. Feet off the floor, please.
They are.
And hydraulic page
King
is
Air
on.
1 Lima Juliet, traffic 1 o'clock, 2 miles westbound, just south of the localizer helicopter 1,000.
Approaching 10 left. 10,000 available.
Papa Bravo, traffic 1 o'clock, mile-and-a-half eastbound, King Air
You're
descending
reffing
at 2,300.
About a dot high. Plenty of runway.
500.
We on the Pappy.
And you were going to landing configured.
400.
Reffing 10.
300.
Holding reffing 10, looking good.
200. Minimums.
Continuing for the runway.
10, I see the runway.
King Air 1 Lima Juliet, traffic no factor, wind 080 at 14, gust 21.
Ref in 10.
1 Lima Juliet, thanks.
A little to the left, maybe. Ref.
Medevac 1 Pop Bravo, did you want to talk to approach control?
Negative, we're landing at it like medical center. We'll go on Island.
Medevac 1 Pop Bravo, radar service terminated, frequency change approved, we'll see you.
6 lights.
Roger, thank you. Medevac 901, Papa Level.
90 knots.
Yeah, Palm Beach Tower, flight is 320 Pump Whiskey, there's runway 10 left.
Flight is 320 Papa Whiskey, Palm Beach Tower, wind 080 at 16, gust 21, runway 10 left, clear to land.
4,000 remaining.
Coldstream, take park.
West Atlantic hangars, we'll make hotel.
Coldstream, thanks, turn right on hotel, ground point 9.
Right, hotel, ground point 9.
Ooh, that right one's grabby.
Yeah. Ground Gulfstream hotel for West Atlantic hangars.
Palm Beach ground, continue on Lima, cross runway 14, and are you all the way at the end?
Yes.
Lima, cross 14, we are all at the end.
Hold short of runway 10 right at Romeo 2.
Alright, so we'll cross the 14 at Lima, hold short of 10 right at 12.
At Romeo 2.
Sorry, Romeo 2. Ready for me to clean you up?
Yeah, clean it up.
Flaps coming up.
Approaching 3, 2.
Alright, after landing coming up. Ignition's off, transponder is staying on for the moment. Flaps are up, cowling anti-ices are off, fuel boost pumps are off. Landing lights, you got taxi on, you're good.
Yeah.
Ground spoilers are, coming off. APU's up and running.
Where's Romeo 2?
I don't see Romeo 2.
Let's confirm where we're going.
And 5 me off, I just want to confirm where we are right now. We're stopping at Romeo 2, correct?
Affirmative, sir. You said you're all the way at the end of the ramp, the west side of the ramp. You can continue on Lima and hold short of 10 right at Romeo 2, unless you're somewhere in the center. I don't have to bring you all the way down.
No, we're down at the end.
No, I guess we're at the end. We were just trying to, we got a little confused on where exactly our hangar was. But yeah, we're down here, so we'll hold short at Romeo 2.
Roger.
Is that Romeo 2 there?
It's got to be the next one, yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it's going to run into this.
Yeah, well, Romeo's over there, which is the weird thing, is that she had us continuing on Lima.
You guys pop us. So
There's
Romeo, it's the very, very end is what she's saying. Okay. You're right.
See, I see Lima 2 down there.
I think she's thinking like that very, very, very end hangar. Is that it?
Yeah, we're over there beyond Rotor Tech.
Yeah, then just, yeah. Okay.
But I just don't see where Romeo 2 is. Romeo 2 is on that side of the runway.
Must be curving somewhere. Oh.
I remember they added a new taxiway through up here, so maybe that's it. But it's
your radar's off too, by the way, right?
It is, yeah. See, look.
So we're on Lima. That's 10 left, 10 right. Romeo 1, Lima 2. Romeo 2's right here.
Yeah, how do I get there from Lima?
Yeah, you don't. So we'll just,
Romeo 2 right there.
Runway 10 right at Romeo 2, taxi to the ramp.
Yeah, Romeo 2 is right there.
We're just slightly confused here, because Romeo 2 is off to the left of us through a grassy knoll.
I'm sorry, I meant Lima 2.
That helps out. We were getting real confused here, but much appreciated. Lima 2.
Okay.
So you can cross that Lima 2.
That's what I was trying to figure out. Like,
Lima going to Jet Aviation.
It's all right.
Okay.
We can cross the grassy knoll.
Yeah, I'm like, what?
Come on, Lima Juliet.
We got more than 4 wheels.
Lima Juliet.
Lima Juliet for Lima Juliet.
It would have made sense, you know, if we were on Romeo to hold short of Romeo 2 over there, but we wouldn't be holding short of the runway.
And she said Lima, so she's like, stay on Lima. I was like, okay,
yeah,
we're on Lima.
That's why I just could not figure that out.
Cool. Clear to cross.
Hold short.
Marlin 45, ready to taxi.
Marlin 45, Palm Beach ground, runway 10 left, taxi via Echo, hold short, runway 14.
Yeah, that's the hangar.
Via Echo, short of 14, runway 10 left, Marlin 45.
And ground, just wanted to confirm one more time, we're clear to cross the runway.
Affirmative, cross runway 10 right and taxi to the ramp. Sorry for any confusion before.
No, I appreciate it. We were just trying to figure out how we're going to drive across the grass.
0 right.
Very careful.
And they got the cleaning crew ready. Perfect. Do we have fridges though in the office for all the stuff we have in here?
I don't think they're big enough. I think we're gonna have to have them take it.
Okay, we'll call them.
I don't think there's anything big enough over here. They have little tiny fridges, but
no worries. I'll just get on the phone here in a minute and have them come down and pick up our fridge bag and our candy and stuff.
Yeah. You did get all the dishes, right?
Yeah. You don't have much.
Okay.
You're clear on the right as tight as you need to go.
Yeah. We got tons of room over here.
Yeah, you can go as tight as you want.
Okay. I'm gonna just put it right in the middle of this bad boy.
Maybe a little bit left would be nice though.
A little bit left?
Just a touch, make you feel better.
How you feel now?
Good.
Marlin 45, can make the right-hand turn there on Kilo and join Lima.
Beautiful.
Right on Kilo, join Lima, Marlin 45.
I don't know where they are going to want us. He says good. Is that Frank? We good? Okay, Frank's happy.
If Frank's happy, I'm happy.
I'm happy. Okay, thanks, sir. All right, can we kill it yet?
Keep the APU though, since we got some stuff we got to offload.
Yeah, APU is up, right?
Yeah, you can get your shit up and down.
Okay.